Follow these steps to fix iPhone app stuck on loading after restore or transfer. First, check your internet connection. For that, launch your Settings app, navigate to the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Also, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, restart your iPhone. For Face ID iPhones, press volume up, volume down, hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. For home button iPhones, hold power and home button until it restarts. Next up, pause and resume app downloads. Tap the stock app to pause it, then tap again to resume. Alternatively, go to App Store, click on the profile icon given at the top right, then click on the option Update All. Next, sign out and sign back into App Store. For that, close this, launch your Settings app, click on the Apple ID given at the very top. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find the option of sign out. Click on that. Then, restart your iPhone and sign in back. Next, prioritize important apps. Long press a loading app, tap Prioritize, download to speed it up. Next, free up storage space. For that, go to Settings, navigate to the option General, click on iPhone Storage. Now from this list of apps, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Likewise, reset network settings. For that, head back, scroll down, navigate to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. If nothing works, delete and reinstall stock apps from the App Store. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.